Hello everyone. We are planning to create a playlist called SQL Zero to Hero. Okay. This is an introduction video. Here we are going to learn what we are going to cover in this playlist and what is the roadmap of the SQL and what are the important topics. And at the end of every session, you are going to get one assignment from my end and you need to submit for the same. I'm going to show you the roadmap of the SQL. Okay, if you want to master, if you want to master in SQL, this is the roadmap. Okay, you need to follow this. So this is an SQL. Okay, so here we do have DDL. Part of DDL again, create, drop, rename. Okay, like this. And DQL functions, it's like only select, again, joins, inner joins, left join, right join. Okay, something like this. And again, part of DQL itself, we are going to learn where, group by, having, and order by, and limit. And DML commands, insert, update, and delete. Okay. And DCL like grant and revoke. And TCL like transaction control language. It's like commit and rollback. Okay. And apart from this, you are going to learn data types, functions, and operators. What are the data types? It's like numeric, string, date and time, Boolean, JSON. Okay. Coming to functions, numeric functions are there, string functions, date and time functions, and we do have aggregate functions also there. Okay. And operators, it's like logical operators. Okay. Logical operators, less than and greater than. So this is the roadmap. Okay. If you want to become a master in SQL, okay, you have to learn these concepts, these entire concepts. Okay, these entire concepts. So this is the roadmap we are going to cover in this playlist. And apart from this, I have prepared one Word document, okay, for the agenda. So here you're going to see, so what are the benefits and who need to learn this SQL, okay? If you are a student or software developer or DBA or data analyst or data scientist who want to use SQL to analyze the data, this playlist is good start. Okay, I can say like, okay, so everyone can learn SQL. So nowadays database is going to play a crucial role, okay, in IT industry. So in everywhere, so data is very important, right? Suppose if you are using Facebook or Instagram, okay, so where the data is storing all the reels and images, okay, everything. Even suppose if you are using mobile, okay, WhatsApp, so this WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, so the entire data is going to store it in a databases. So that is the reason, so SQL is very important. Now here we are going to explain everything it is in a clearly and easy manner. And today SQL is one of the most common programming language to interact with any database, okay, to any database. So what is SQL? SQL stands for structured query language. Structured query language. In order to communicate with any database, we need SQL. So these are the topics we are going to cover as part of this playlist. Okay. So if you observe section 1, introduction to SQL. Okay. What is database? What is SQL? SQL syntaxes. And we are going to take any one sample SQL sample database. Okay. Now the section 2, it's like software installation. So here you can install any software. It's like MySQL or SQL Server or something like this. If you don't want to install, okay, you can use Snowflake free trial account. So it's normally it will take only for 30 days, but here I'm going to teach you like how to get it for 120 days free trial. Okay. So this is section 2, and working with table structures. It's like how to create a table, how to alter a table, how to drop table, how to truncate table. Okay. These are the concepts you are going to learn part of this session. Now, next one is querying data. This is very, very important. Okay. So as part of select statement, we are going to perform these many operations. If you observe this one, see, not only select, okay, see, as part of select statement, we are going to learn joins, inner joins, left joins, right joins, and where clause, group by, having, order by, and everything we are going to perform based on select. Okay, based on select statement. Based on select statement. Okay, as part of section 4, you are going to learn select statement, how we need to use select statement. And another session, you are going to learn order by, okay, sorting the data and filtering the data. So in order to filter, we need to use, you need to use these keywords: distinct, limit, fetch, top, where clause, comparison operators, logical operators. This is also one of the important concepts. See, everything it is important, but I'm saying like, okay, one of the most important concept. Now, conditional expressions. If you want to perform any case expressions under, okay, we'll talk about more clear on this one. Next, modifying data. It's like if you want to insert or update and delete any data from a table, we are going to use insert, update, and delete. And next concept, it's like joins. Okay, joins, inner join, left join, okay, left join, right join, full join. Okay, see, both are same, left outer or right outer. Okay, if you want, you can keep the same, both are same only. And section 10, it's like session 10, we are going to cover, okay, aggregate functions. So how we need to work with aggregate functions? You are going to learn average, count, sum, maximum, and minimum. And the next concept, part of this playlist, you can learn string functions, length, okay, lower, upper, so it's not sum, substring, replace, concat, okay. There are few more, okay, we will add later, okay. Then grouping the data, how we are going to use group by and having, and how to set the grouping sets, okay, you are going to learn. And set operators, it's like union and union, intersect and minus, okay. The set operators you are going to learn. And section 14, it's like subquery. It is also one of the important aspect here, okay. Now subquery, correlated subquery. So as part of this, how we are going to use exist, all, any, okay. These are the keywords how we are going to use. Next, finally, you are going to learn constraints, okay. What is primary key, foreign key, what is unique, what is not null, and what is check, okay. Okay, these are the major concepts as of now we have decided, and later on we are going to add few more also. This is very good start, okay, that's what I can say. So if anyone want to learn SQL, this is very good start. And finally, I'm going to tell you like, okay, if you want more updates from our channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications, okay, so that you don't miss any updates. you don't miss any updates. Okay, these are the topics we are going to cover as part of this playlist. If any topics missed or it's mandatory, then we will add based on your feedback or concerns. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. Please do hit a like button and share it with your friends. Thank you.